Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps, and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden, or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing, and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here, we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into creativity with some fun and easy ocean-themed kids crafts. Think under the sea adventures, nautical vibes, and all the summer fun rolled into simple DIY projects perfect for little hands. These crafts are great for summer camp activities, beach days, or anytime your kiddos are dreaming of the sea. So grab your supplies and let's make a splash with some ocean-inspired fun. you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes, we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.